Hello friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making a Mumbai style toast sandwich. This yummy street snack of toast sandwiches is very delicious and simple to make. These sandwiches are stuffed with a tasty spiced mashed potato stuffing, topped with a few veggies, and then grilled or toasted. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. We will need 8 to 10 bread slices. We are using brown bread, but you can use white bread or multi-seeded bread, it's up to you. 5 to 6 slices of cheese, 100 grams boiled peas, 1 big tomato, 50 grams freshly chopped coriander, 1 big chopped onion, 50 grams spring onion, 1 big green pepper, 350 grams boiled and mashed potato, butter as per your need, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, green chutney. There is a link in the description box which is the recipe for this delicious green chutney. 1 teaspoon of our secret masala, which is Veggie masala. 1 teaspoon chaat masala. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 tablespoon of a ginger and garlic paste. And cheese cubes for garnishing at the end. Now that we have our ingredients, we're going to start off by making our stuffing for our sandwich. First, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of oil in a heated pan. Then add our cumin seeds and wait till they pop. Once your cumin seeds have started popping, we're going to add our ginger and garlic paste and then saute it for around 30 seconds. Then we're going to add our onions and saute it for another couple of minutes. If you like these recipes, then please subscribe and hit that notification bell for more amazing videos. Then once your onions are translucent, we're going to add our peas, spring onion, salt, and our secret ingredient, which is Veggie masala. Then we're going to mix everything for around 1 minute. Then we're going to add our mashed potatoes. And give it a good mix. If you want, you can add a little bit of water to make it easier to mix. Once everything is nicely mixed, we are going to add our freshly chopped coriander. We've cooked this recipe on a medium flame to make sure that nothing gets stuck to the bottom. Then, once everything is nicely mixed, we're going to put our mixture into a bowl to bring it back down to room temperature. As our potato mixture is cooled down, we're going to start making our sandwiches. Then we're going to apply some butter. We are doing this to add some flavour and also because our green chutney has some water content and we don't want our sandwich to get soggy. Now we're going to spread on our potato stuffing which we made earlier. Make sure you've spread it evenly, and then we're going to top it up with some tomatoes and green bell peppers. Then we're going to sprinkle some chaat masala to add some tangy flavours to our sandwich. You can use any kind of vegetables in this sandwich, for example cabbage, spinach and many more. Then we're going to put on a cheese slice. And there we go, there is our sandwich. This is a very smart and unique kitchen appliance that helps to cook, toast and heat your sandwiches in no time. It is very easy to use, wash and clean this. These type of toasters are normally used by all Mumbai street style sandwich makers. This is a very old and unique appliance to make some stuffed sandwiches. This is a fully loaded sandwich, so if there are some bits of sandwiches sticking out, then you can just scrape them off. It's best to use a small burner, as then it's cooked evenly everywhere. And make sure you keep it on a low to medium flame. We'll cook it for around 2 minutes and then we'll turn it onto the other side. It's been 2 minutes and now we're going to flip it over. Wow, that's a really nice golden brown colour, which means that it's perfectly done on one side. Now we're going to let it cook for 2 minutes on the other side. Now we're going to check on our sandwich. It's been cooked on both sides and has a perfectly golden brown colour on both sides. So it's time for plating. We've made another sandwich just using the same stuffing, and now we're going to cook it. If you don't have a gas toaster, then you can use a sandwich griller like this. So now we're going to put it in there and wait for it to grill. So we've let our sandwich grill for around 3 minutes, as these grillers are quite faster. Now, as you can see, it has a perfect, nice golden brown colour, so it's time for plating. Now that we've cooked our sandwiches 2 different ways, as you can see, they both look different, but they taste the same. Then we're going to grate just a little bit of cheese for garnishing, which is completely optional. And now it's time for serving. If you like our videos, then please drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. Bye for now, thanks for watching, happy cooking!